करेक्ट भाई, करेक्ट है। चलिए, शैल वी स्टार्ट केमिकल बॉन्डिंग। ठीक है भाई, टॉपिक्स विल एंटर इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आई थिंक फ्रॉम मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स। ठीक है, वी आर रनिंग अ पैरेलल मंडे ट्रैक आल्सो। क्लियर, डन। चलिए, लो भाई, एज यू से भाई, in the chemical bonding our today's job is to read the structures, and for the structures I'm going to teach you firstly how to draw Lewis dot structure. How to draw Lewis dot structure. Shall we start? All the remaining discussions we'll have at 12:45. Before that, already we are 15 minutes delayed. Before that, let's not go anywhere else. When is the exam? How is the exam? What with the exam? All that information after 12:45. ठीक है भाई, चलिए। तो first question. I want the structure of NO3 single minus. NO3 single minus. Which of the following is the correct option? So N double bond O single minus. First option. Second, N double bond O single minus. Third, N double bond O, no minus. N single bond O minus, single bond O minus, single bond O minus. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, everyone tell which is the correct answer, bhai. Everyone tell which is the correct answer. Waiting for the answer. Desperately waiting for the answer. है? अरे भाई क्या बात है? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1111 is wrong, भाई साहब, सत्यानाश, सर्वनाश. The correct answer is second option. That is why we are starting with the Lewis dot structure. Is the objective of the topic clear? Clear है भाई? Voice breaking? 1 second, I will check. This is in the camera mode. No, it is okay. Voice coming properly, bhai. Yes, clear, loud, clear. Okay. Here answer is second option. So shall we start the lecture? Now? Yup. Nitrogen valency can't be 5. Yup. Octet is completely violated in option number 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Octet is completely violated there. ठीक है भाई? Done. चलिए ना, +1 -1 कुछ नहीं. So let us see this way how to draw the structure. ठीक है भाई? Priyanka, it is coming very normal here. It is coming very okay, very normal here. देखो, now let us see how to draw the Lewis dot structure. Why can't 4 you will understand. I'm telling you the method of drawing the Lewis dot structure. देखिए भाई, method number 1, find, note down this, valence electrons pair including charge. Find valence electron pairs including charge. Number 1. ठीक है भाई, find the valence electron pair including charge. Let's take the example of NO3 minus. Step by step I will solve. तो how many valence electrons are there including charge we have to see. तो देखो, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Below that silicon is there, germanium is there, phosphorus there, arsenic there, sulfur there, selenium there, chlorine there, bromine there. Group number 13, 3 valence electrons. Group number 14, 4 valence electron. Group number 15, 5 valence electron. Group number 16, 6, and group number 17, 7. Apart from that noble gas also, we can write one only xenon example, because only he is the person who is going to form the products. The compounds are formed by only xenon. That is why there is no other headache. देखिए भाई, तो NO3 minus nitrogen valence electrons. Valence electrons of nitrogen are 5 plus oxygen will be 6 into 3. Why? Because there are 3 oxygens, and one negative charge means one extra electron is also there. So total how much? 6 into 3, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 5, 24 electrons will come. Step number 1, any problem, any samasya, any pida? बोलिए भाई. Any problem, any samasya, any pida? Okay. Rizwan yaar, just one day you can give to us. I will make it possible. ठीक है? चलिए, great. So 24 electrons means we can say 12 pairs. Can we say 12 pairs? 24 electron means can we say 12 pairs? Yep. In first slide nothing is there. One question is there that everyone answered wrong. Now I am explaining that question. So there is nothing in the first slide. Ignore. Okay, this is the first slide for us. देखिए 12 pairs. Now step number 2. Attach each terminal atom to central atom by one bond each. Attach each terminal atom to central atom by one bond each. देखो, this atom nitrogen here is the central atom and this oxygen here is called the terminal atom. Sir, how can we decide who is the central atom? Very simple. Central atom is the person who is least in number, also which is least electronegative also. Least in number also, least electronegative also. भैया central atom is nitrogen because he is only one and he is less electronegative also. He is the central atom. This will come at the center. So I will write nitrogen in the center. I will attach one bond each to oxygen like this. बोलो यार. Any problem? अरे simple है ना यार. Oxygen has to attach on nitrogen, so at least one sigma bond will be there ना. That one sigma bond so you will have to give. चमका भाई. बोलिए भैया. Sir doubt has doubt. अच्छा. बोलो यार. बोलो. Clear? Clear. Okay. So understand, these are your piggy bank of electrons. These are all the electrons you have. All the valence electrons you have are 12. More than this are not there, bhai. Whatever you have to do using this. So bhaiya, I made 3 bonds. So from here, from 12 pairs, I will have to subtract 3 bonds because one bond means 1 electron pair is consumed in making that. So 9 pairs left. बोलो भाई, चमका क्या? 12 pairs you total had. Out of that, 3 bonds are made. So only 9 pairs are left still to be used up. बोलो भाई, clear है? Done? Okay. बढ़िया. Now देखें. Now focus. What to do with this remaining 9 pairs? देखो यार, at least satisfy someone. Now octet so at least some people should get. So what we do? Step number 3, give 3 lone pair each to terminal atom, and if left, then to central atom. So here 3 lone pair you will give each to the terminal atom. If something is left, then you will give to the central atom. देखो 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. At least oxygen octet got completed here. 3 lone pairs given to the terminal atom. If something is left over, then we will give to the central atom, but nothing is left over. Check. All the 9 electrons I point the. Why only 3 lone pairs? Why only 3? Because one sigma bond you have already made. 3 lone pairs will come. 1 sigma bond, total 8 electrons will be there. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One bond means 2 electrons. One bond means 2 electrons. So total octet completion, at least oxygen octet got completed na, one by one work you have to complete na bhai. So oxygen octet we have completed by this method, by this step. So 3 lone pair each on terminal atom, and if something is left, then only to the central atom we will give. So nothing left, electrons over. So bhaiya, whatever the electrons were there, they are over now. This is something we have got. Now what? Now this central atom is angry yaar. This central atom is angry. Why? Oxygen octet to you completed. What about nitrogen? बोलो भाई, चमका क्या? बोलिए भाई, बोलिए, चमका. Done. Then full and final step. देखिए भाई, full and final step, step number 4 and the most important step, it has two parts. If central atom is second period element, complete octet by converting lone pair to pi bond. If central atom is the second period element, then complete the octet by converting lone pair into pi bond. And the other way is there, if central atom is third period and later element, if central atom is third period and later element, then find formal charge and make pi bonds equal to formal charge if formal charge is positive. Just note down this, then I will explain you how to do. B part you will just note down right now. A I will explain right now with this example. बोलिए भाई, any doubt, any समस्या, any पीड़ा up to point number 3 is there or not there? Second, once again, second is attach each terminal atom to the central atom by one bond each. तो देखो, there were 3 oxygen, they will be attached to nitrogen by one bond. So I connected one bond here, one bond here, one bond here. Total electrons I had 12 pairs. 3 bond means 3 pair consumed, 9 pair left. 9 pair left. Fourth I will explain now. Firstly note down the fourth one, then I will explain. If central atom is second period element, complete octet by converting lone pair to pi bond. If central atom is third period element and later, that means third period, fourth period, fifth period and so on, then find formal charge and make pi bond equal to formal charge if formal charge is positive. But if too much doubt is there, you can record the audio, send on the WhatsApp. Unmuting is not possible. ठीक है भाई? Third step is, देखो, out of these 9 pairs left, what you will do? You will give 3 lone pairs to all the terminal atoms. देखो, 3 lone pair here given, 3 lone pairs here given, 3 lone pair here given, total 9 lone pair given. So all the 9 lone pair are consumed. There is no electron left. चमका भाई? Don't worry, many examples I will give. Everything you will understand. Just little bit patient. फटाफट note down this, then I'll go to the next slide. अब देखो भाई, for this nitrogen, how many bonds are formed? How many bonds are there? For this nitrogen, how many bonds are there? So sir, 1, 2, 3 bonds. So how many electrons? 6 electrons. बोलो भाई, 1 bond, 2 electron, total 6 ना? Sai Kiran, wait, I'm explaining fourth point only. Wait. ठीक? How many electron required for octet? How many extra electron required for octet now? How many more electrons required for the octet now? 2 na? 2 electron required means how many bond? How many bond? 2 electrons required means how many bond? 2 electrons required means how many bond? 1 bond. भैया one of the lone pair will be converted to pi bond. One of the lone pair will be converted to pi bond. चमका भाई. This implies 2 electrons required for octet. So one lone pair converted to pi bond. बोलिए भाई, octet rule will be completed for nitrogen also. What is happening here? अच्छा, someone screen sharing क्या? No problem. People are there who are hurt.